talk about Bangladesh's envoy has been called to Dhaka, as Dhaka has now summoned the envoy from Delhi amid tense ties as Dhaka envoy has been called. And this has now been coming in as far as when it comes to discussions on bilateral ties, what is being said. That seems to be the reason as far as Riaz Ahmedullah has now been called to Dhaka. And this is an urgent call, what is being said from the Foreign Ministry amid visibly strained bilateral ties between India and Bangladesh. As far as the situation is concerned, Bangladesh High Commissioner in New Delhi was called to Dhaka on an urgent basis. Let's connect with Rishabh once again on this. Rishabh, what is being said here as far as when it comes to, we've seen both sides have been summoning their respective high commissioners there over the situation that has been prevailing mainly in Bangladesh, the anti-India sentiment that continues to be fueled.
Well, Riaz Ahmedullah, the High Commissioner of Bangladesh here in New Delhi, has been recalled. And when we say recalled, he hasn't been recalled for long. He has been called back to Dhaka to assess the situation and to understand what Delhi wants to communicate to Bangladesh as well. In last 3-4 weeks since the killing of Hadi, the way things have unfolded in Dhaka and Delhi, and the diplomatic relation between the two South Asian countries is something that Bangladesh wants to revisit to. India has been very clear that India sides with peace, India sides with an free, fair and inclusive election. And all this anti-India rhetoric has been time and again rejected by New Delhi. The MEA spokesperson Randeep Jaiswal, in at least 2 of the media briefings that have happened in last 2 to 3 weeks, have categorically rejected the claims being made by factions in Bangladesh about India's involvement in Hadi's killing, or for that matter, India's involvement in any chaos that is taking place in Bangladesh. Yes. And the way Bangladesh has not been able to
provide... Well, her re-emergence was rather expected as far as when it comes to categorize the BNP cadre there and to build a momentum there. But Khaleda Zia is passing away now, and this development is now coming where Dhaka has summoned its envoy from Delhi there amid the strained ties that India and Bangladesh have been viewing for the last few weeks. The developments that continue to take place as far as the violence being reported. Thank you very much, Rishabh, for joining in. Well, those are the updates we are picking up internationally. Back with more, back after a short break.